What are you actually looking for in a phone? A device that brings back that golden era nostalgia, but still rips through tasks with modern-day speed. A phone that becomes your daily driver without burning a hole in your wallet. Well, listen up, because this video is specifically for you. Today, we are talking about a Nokia concept that feels like a fever dream, a completely unique combo of raw 5G power and, wait for it, a physical keypad. This is the Nokia 7610 5G. I know. 5G and a keypad. In 2026, it sounds weird, right? But what Nokia is doing here is a total masterstroke. This is for the users who miss that tactile click of real buttons, but still want the benefits of modern tech. It's the perfect bridge between durability and innovation. So, let's not waste any time. Let's dive into the specs that make this the most interesting device under $99. Let's go. Features of the Nokia 7610 5G. Design and display. First up, let's talk design and display. This phone rocks a crystal clear 4.95-inch HD Plus LCD screen. It's perfect for streaming videos or browsing the web. But the real headline is right below that screen, a full physical keypad. For the heavy texters out there, this is an absolute gift. And because it's a Nokia, they didn't skimp on durability. We're talking a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass to keep those scratches away. Plus, here's the kicker, a 90 Hz refresh rate. Everything on this compact screen is going to look buttery smooth. It just proves you don't need a massive tablet in your pocket to have a premium experience. Camera setup. Now, you might think I'm joking with this next part. On the back of this retro phone is a legitimate triple camera setup. The primary sensor, a massive 108 megapixels. You can snap a photo, zoom way in, and the clarity is still going to be there. It's backed up by a 12 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel lens to handle your ultra-wides and depth effects. And for the selfie lovers, don't worry, there is a sharp 16 megapixel shooter right on the front. Whether it's FaceTime or a quick selfie, you're going to look crisp. Processor and software. It might look simple on the outside, but under the hood, it's got a serious engine. Nokia is packing this thing with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 5G processor. That means, yes, this keypad phone is fully 5G ready. Gamers, you're good to go. This chipset will handle light to medium gaming with zero issues. And it's all running on the brand new Android 16, giving you the freshest security updates and the latest features right out of the box. Battery backup. We are looking at a massive 6000 mAh battery packed into this thing. With this screen size, that easily translates to 2 days of heavy usage. And when you finally do run dry, you've got 25-watt fast charging via USB-C, to get you back up and running in no time. Price and launch date. And now, for the moment of truth. The price tag. What if I told you the Nokia 7610 5G is expected to launch at around $99? It sounds impossible, right? But that's the rumor. Nokia is prepping to drop this as the ultimate budget bomb. We are expecting to see this hit the shelves by the end of this year, around December 2026.